Historical archives are full voices that are hard to reach. Scanned letters, fragile pages, uneven handwriting, and documents that need care before sharing. Archive Whisperer is a privacy-aware research assistant for that gap. It turns a small set of pages into transcripts, metadata, review flags, grounded answers, and an export package. It does not replace archivists. It makes a careful first pass faster, more transparent, and easier to review. The problem is cultural heritage access. Small archives often hold valuable letters and records, but reading and preparing those pages takes time. A general chatbot is not enough. Archival text is evidence. The system needs citations, uncertainty markers, and privacy checks before anything is exported. That is why I use agents. Each agent has one job: ingest, transcribe, verify, extract metadata, scan privacy risk, answer from evidence, and prepare the package. Small workflow, clear responsibility, responsible access. The system has 3 layers. The Streamlit interface handles upload, review, grounded questions, privacy flags, and export. A fast API backend stores collections in SQLite with full-text search and exposes workflow endpoints. The agent layer follows Google ADK patterns and uses a custom MCP server. MCP tools create collections, add pages, search transcripts, extract metadata, scan privacy risks, and build exports. Safety is built into the workflow. Document text is treated as evidence, not instructions. The Q&A agent answers only from cited pages, and privacy or low-confidence content is routed to human review before export. The same project supports mock mode for reproducible local testing, plus real Gemini or agent runtime calls for the live demo. Here is the live workflow. I start with an empty Archive Whisperer workspace, create a collection called Demo, and upload the 2 generated manuscript page images. This matches the intended user path. Bring your own scanned pages, then let the agents prepare a reviewable package. When I click Upload and Process, the deployed interface calls the agent runtime path. The pipeline inventories the files, transcribes each page, verifies uncertainty, extracts metadata, scans privacy risk, and prepares export status. The Inventory tab shows both pages, confidence, and review state. I can open a page and compare the source image with the transcript, so the model output stays inspectable. The grounded Q&A area stays available while I move through the app. I ask who is mentioned in the letters, and the answer is constrained to transcript evidence with page citations. Next, the Privacy tab highlights sensitive patterns and tells me whether export is safe or needs review. Historical documents can still include personal names, addresses, health details, or family information. Finally, I try export. The app warns or blocks when review issues remain, and once cleared, it produces Markdown and JSON with transcripts, metadata, citations, privacy notes, and audit information. That is the focused demo. Upload pages, process with agents, review evidence, ask cited questions, check privacy, and export responsibly. The build is reproducible: fast API backend, Streamlit interface, SQLite full-text search, custom MCP tools, Docker support, sample data, mock mode, tests, evaluation scripts, and deployment notes. For the Kaggle capstone concepts, Archive Whisperer demonstrates an ADK-style multi-agent workflow, MCP tooling, security guardrails, deployability, and an agent runtime demo path. It is a focused Agents for Good project for unlocking cultural heritage while keeping uncertainty, evidence, and privacy visible.